part 1 of Blizzard. Okay, sorry, I know this. And sorry if my house looks different, because I just like it arranging. But anyway, so let's start. Okay, why are you crying, Oakley? It's so annoying. Why are you crying? Why is she crying? Oh, I know idea why. She probably needs her bottle. Let me give that to her. Yummy, I love it. That's good. She's finally asleep. I just put her to bed. I'm so tired though. Like, I could literally just sleep right now. Oh my god. Anyways, we gotta go tell the kids to go, just like get ready for bed. Crocodile. Okay, Daryl, you gotta pick up your toys. And why is it so messy? Do we really gotta pick up toys? It's so annoying. It's just not fun. And also, I don't like bedtime stories. It's so annoying. I like the only bedtime story is Dogman. It's fine. We can do Dogman tonight. But just behave. Or else I'm gonna give you a timeout tomorrow. So pick up toys. Jeez, okay. Whatever, you're so evil. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Daisy, you gotta pick up your toys too. Oh, you're actually just on your iPad? Okay, that's fine. But yeah, just pick up your iPad. Anyways, okay, fine. Just gonna put it there. Okay, go to bed. Why do you look like that? Because your brother made me mad. That's typical him. Okay, everyone get to bed. And Daryl, I'm not telling you again. Pick up your toys. Okay, here. Go, Daisy. Okay, Daryl, let me help you. Okay, got it. Go back to bed now. To bed. Okay. Finally. Oh, guys, don't like the noise in the background. Just in the living room again. Okay. Okay, now the kids are asleep. Okay, good. But anyways, I'm gonna go into my pajamas because I'm so tired. Literally, so tired. So yeah. Go to bed. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed too. Okay, so guys, I just gotta like do this thing. Anyways. Wise up, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna Bro, my thing is not working, but I'll just try to do it, whatever. Anyways. Oh my god, why is it so cold, guys? Oh my god, it's literally snowing. Jeez. I bet the baby's gonna cry. Oh no. Oakley, why did you have to cry this time? I knew you were, so I don't know why I said that. Just go back to bed, go back to bed. Actually, she might need her little sleeping thing. Here you go. Just go back to bed. Okay, good night. I'm really cold. Okay, she's falling asleep again. But I don't know what the kids are doing. Wait, no, wait. It's so cold, but I have my favorite stuffy snuggles, and also I have my blanket. Why is it so cold, y'all? Why are you awake? Stop. Jeez. Go to bed. Why is he so mean? Like, it is so cold in my ass, Mom. It's so freezing. Like, it's so cold. I feel like Elsa now. Let me guess. Let me guess, you're cold. Yeah, a lot cold. Okay, let me go get your heating blanket. Here, go to bed. Good, you're going to bed really quick, even quicker than Uncle. Okay, maybe I'll just get out his brother. I'm gonna just, sorry, anyway, I'm just gonna give it to his brother because he's probably gonna need it too. One hour later. Now I kind of feel cold. It's kind of shivery today. Gotta go get my blanket. Where's Where's our blankets? Where's our little like sleeping bag things? I thought we had them. Oh my god, I guess we got out again. I have to go to the store. Are you kidding me? At this weather? Just gotta go to the shop. Oh. Sorry guys. Bro. We're going to the shop. Bro, we're stuck. We're stuck. Okay, we got out. Anyway, hello. Do you have any like sleeping bag or coolers things? Oh, sorry, we ran out of those 2 minutes ago. The one called Itchy Bob, he took all of them for his family. He had a girlfriend and a boyfriend, if you know what I mean. Ugh. That's gross. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Why are you doing eye contact? I don't know. Just get him away. What the heck? Where's the heaters, bro? I gotta go to every store to find one. Oh my god, this is so outrageous. I do have a pillow. That might help. No. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Where the heck do we find a little cooler thing? This is so annoying. I think I have to go around the whole world, bro. So yeah, so it's exciting. You can't be kidding me. I have to go to this abandoned one. I gotta get this character up, bro. Okay. Me coming out. Hello, do you have any little things? Oh my god, thanks. Oh my god. Just give me it. Give me it. Why did the fight? Okay, just give me it. Go. I'm taking it. Hey, you gotta pay for that, loser. I really don't care in this subject. I'm just taking it back. Like, it's so cold. Going back home. I just gotta find the house, bro. Okay, there it is. At the house. Is that the tripod's kind of crooked? Anyways, let me just fix it, y'all. Okay, got it. I got the supplies. What do you mean? I got the supplies. But why is it so cold? Just shit in your mouth. Anyways, I got these little blanket stuff. It's gonna keep us warm for tonight. Okay. You said. I gotta go into the basement and find the heater. But I just really need these. Anyways, honey, you can take this. Okay, thanks. It feels way more better. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to bed. Wait for the heater. I gotta go back in my pajama. No, I'm not gonna wear those. But gotta put these back. I gotta get the most like warmest pajamas ever. Not. I need these one. Okay. Anyways. Let me just get back in bed. Wait, but I gotta find the heater. Where is the heater at? I literally can't. I got ya. Okay, hi. Sorry, I gotta use my fingers. Anyways, we got the heater. We got the heater. I'll put this bad boy right next to here on the fire. And they all sleep happily, except for the morning. So, yeah, let's get to the morning. Guys, pretend it's like way more darker, so yeah. Why is it still so more colder? I don't know. Gotta get up though. I gotta get to work. Oh, I can't believe I have to tell my boss this. Ring ding ding. Who's calling me? Hello, boss? Hello. Oh, it's so cold. I don't even want to get to work and make $1,000 today for Trump. Okay. So, are we just not having work? Unfortunately, yeah, we're not having no work. Yay! 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 Wait, why are you happy? I don't know. Anyways, go back to bed. Okay, fine. Anyways, I'm so happy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I get to stay home and not go in the freezing cold. Because my job is actually concrete. But yes, let's go in the night. Okay. I'm just going to get the most cozy outfit in the world. Guys, but bro, my iPad pen, it's glitched, bro. It's glitched. Chat, it's so glitched. It's glitched so bad. Anyways, but I gotta go get some coffee. Good thing we got this like little coffee thing, but this is supposed to keep you like really coffeeed up. So yeah, that's just like. Honey, would you like some coffee? Sure, but just give it in bed. Okay, sure, I'll get you in bed. But to my wife, she likes it like not in this cup. I guess she says it's called dirty, but whatever. Just like give her the coffee. Making it proactive. Guys, but I'm actually kind of sorry how much my stuff has been glitching. Like, I would have to show you my little pinky and also some other stuff because my Apple Pen. Like, chill, daddy, chill. Work. Anyway, so yeah. Anyways, here you go. Okay, I'll just start making breakfast. Okay. I just have to go make breakfast. Oh my god, I feel so tired. Okay, just give me that coffee. I don't literally feel like getting up. Oh, okay. But anyways, you just gotta go make breakfast. Okay, fine, whatever. I'll take the kid. Okay, thanks. Go make breakfast. This is my torture. Take the baby. Would you like some of my coffee? Baby cries. Huh? Why is she crying? It's just coffee. It's literally just coffee. Why is she crying? Like, did I do something wrong? I'm still the elevator, and I heard what you said. Did you just give her coffee? I would never give her coffee. Like, that's so stupid. Like, no parent would give a kid a coffee. She's not a kid or a toddler. She's a baby. No, she's actually not a baby. She's a newborn. So why did you do that? Don't ask. Anyways, I'm never letting you care about Oakley. I did that wrong. Okay. Sorry, guys. Too much for you all? Okay, anyways. Oh my god, why does he always do this? He can always never care about Oakley. Well, he tries to care, but it never works out. I swear. Just gonna hide you. I don't even know why I brought her down with this. Just put her here. Please don't cry in the morning like this, bro. You're gonna do me dirty. What should I even make this morning? Well, I could make some eggs, because eggs are pretty healthy. So yeah, I'll do that. Just chop it up. Okay. Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna eat this. At least that's good. Anyways, guys, sorry I can't make this video too long. But anyways, that's gonna be the the little chapter. But I'll see you. I'll do it in the next video tomorrow. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Love you. And remember to like and subscribe. And if you liked it, put an orange heart. And if you didn't like it, put a purple heart. Anyways, bye guys. Love you.